My name is Kristan. Yeah, I'm sales coordinator, mainly support the sales team. We will prepare the sales contract for the sales, and then I also have to get involved on the exhibition things. We will help them to prepare the material, all this kind of thing, and we will join the exhibition activities as well. I like to work here because the people working here are very close to each other and very helpful. I have the chances to expose myself, to learn something which I never learned in the past. I hope I can help the company to build up the team and then can provide better service to customer.
My name is Kim. I'm working in the customer care department. I've worked for about 5 years in the customer care department. Basically, customer care, what we do is that we're responsible for the sales of the spare parts and service for our customers. And also, we also provide some technical support to our customer whenever they have problems or they need some help from us. In the office here, everyone is very close. It's about the community feeling that we share the experience to grow the company together. That's what I like about the community, the family feelings in this office.
My name is Muhamad Sufian Nazam I. My function at Haarslev is product design. When the project finish and they do the design appraisal, and we take from design appraisal and then we do the detailing from what project one. Global Haarslev is good people and good to communicate with them.
My name is Voon Hwa. My function is sales coordinator. We mainly prepare proposal and quotation to sales manager when they get inquiry. Then we have to prepare the proposals for them. I like it's more flexible for me. For example, the working hours, environment, the colleagues are very friendly, so I like it here.